Hello! InstaForex presents a video tutorial which will help you to open a demo account. At first, download one of the trading platforms presented on our website. If you want to install a PC version, then choose Trading Platform version for Windows. After that, launch the installation package. In the pop-up window, you will see information on the platform specifications along with license agreement, which is obligatory to be read. If you agree with the terms, tick the corresponding box and click Next. After the installation process is completed, click Finish. The Open Account window will pop up automatically as soon as you launch the platform, or you can open it manually by clicking the File tab in the toolbar. Select the contest or the demo server, then click Next, choose New Demo Account and click Next again. Fill in the registration form with your personal details, the name, email and phone number. Besides, you need to select the account type, deposit currency, leverage and the amount of deposit. If you want to subscribe to the company news, tick the corresponding box. After that, click Next. Now you have a demo account. You will get the password, login and investor password to your email. Please save this data. The registration process is completed. You can improve your trading skills without risks of losing money. We wish you the best of success.
In order to open a new order, it is necessary first to choose a currency pair which you want to trade. There are two ways. Double-click on the currency pair in the Market Watch, or open a chart of some currency pair and click New Order at the toolbar of InstaTrader. Then, in the appeared window, you choose the volume of a deal accounted in InstaForex lots. You can choose of the variance or enter your own from 0.01 up to 10,000 manually. If needed, you can set stop loss and take profit levels and add a comment. Below you have to decide whether this deal will be executed instantly or it will be pending order, which will open when the price reaches the necessary rate. If you want your order to be executed instantly, you can also use option Enable Maximum Deviation from the quoted price. It allows server to open your deal even if the price changed in defined limits without repeated request with the new price. Then you should choose what order you want to open, buy or sell, and click on the appropriate button. The order will be opened and displayed in the section Trade at the bottom of the InstaTrader page. If you choose the type Pending Order, you have to designate the type of pending order, buy, sell, limit or stop, and the price of execution, which should be higher than the current price on the value of spread by the currency pair you use. You can also enable the option Expiry, that is to say, set the time when the order will be automatically deleted in case the price does not reach the opening level. After you've finished with all these operations, press the button Place and it will appear under the line with balance in the window Trade at the bottom of InstaTrader window.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.